Tracy, as high as these numbers are, the number of cases per day is slightly down, and that is creating some hope that that trend will continue. But in the meantime, the health commissioner is urging people to upgrade their masking for this next stretch of the pandemic. In Philadelphia, a possible peak for the Omicron surge, but Philly's health commissioner warning there's no certainty to any of it.
When you see a little plateau like that, it's hard to know, is that, a little bump on the way up further, or will the curve actually continue down?
With transmission continuing, keeping tests in demand at sites like this one, Dr. Cheryl Bettigole urging people to double up their masks with a surgical and a cloth one, or use a more protective N95 or KN95 one. I asked if the city might distribute them.
We have talked internally about, whether there are situations within the city where we could distribute them. Distributing to a city of 1.6 million is a daunting task. But in certain specialized situations, we're discussing right now. The challenge is that people don't need one, right? They need a supply of them.
She says those N95 or KN95 masks can be reused up to a week, but be careful how you handle them, washing your hands if you touch the outside of your mask. The advice coming as residents here and around the country are taking in guidance that has evolved during the pandemic. Another challenge as the virus takes workers off the job. Philly's Deputy Streets Commissioner.
What is the policy in terms of how many days somebody has to be out if they either are exposed or test positive?
I think we would have to lean to the CDC for that, and their rules are changing every day. So
does that make it complicated for you?
It makes it complicated for everybody.
Today, the CDC director testifying in front of a Senate committee and defending recent changes in guidance.
Over the holidays, we saw the growing surge of Omicron and took swift, science-based action to address the very real possibility of staffing shortages in hospitals and in other essential areas of the workforce.
Her comments coming at a hearing that also saw a tense exchange between a Republican senator and Dr. Anthony Fauci.
You are the lead architect for the response from the government, and now 800,000 people have died.
Right.
Do you think it's a winning success, what you've advocated for government?
What happens when he gets out and accuses me of things that are completely untrue is that all of a sudden that kindles the crazies out there, and I have threats upon my life, harassment of my family and my children with obscene phone calls because people are lying about me.
So let's go back to testing in Philadelphia, which is still an issue. Now, we reported recently that the city has ordered more than 1 million at-home tests. I asked the health commissioner today if they've arrived. She said they are still waiting on the biggest shipment, and she hopes that will happen within a week. She says then they would announce a plan to get them out to people. Live in the newsroom, I'm Lauren Mayk, NBC 10 News.
We know you'll keep us updated, Lauren. Thanks.